Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be melting down some brass and trying to make some replica keys. I was given a single key that's missing the head of the key. That's the place where you hold it with your thumb and your pointer finger. So I used a deep socket to make an imprint in the sand on a two-part mold. When finished, this area will be that part that is missing in the key. So I'll be melting down some scrap brass that I have in this little tiny can. All of these pieces will easily fit into the crucible inside of this Vevor electric furnace. This furnace is really useful on rainy days when you can't melt metal outside. So I'll start the furnace, and while this is heating up, I'll make up some molds. With the two molds made up, I want to preheat the top of these flasks and remove all of the moisture. I'll check on the brass, and the brass isn't quite fully melted yet. So I'll let this set for another 5 to 10 minutes and then it'll be ready to pour. And because I still have brass left over, I'll put this back in the furnace and make up one more mold. And this is now the final mold for today in a two-part casting flask using some green sand, foundry sand. Just like the other ones, the imprint in the sand looks great. This should work no problem. And as you can see in the lower part of the mold, I did add a vent from the bottom that goes all the way to the top for all the air to escape. With the brass solidified, I can now open up these molds and see how each of these keys came out. Making sure I'm wearing those leather gloves because these are definitely hot. And so far so good, these molds filled out completely and it looks like I have two perfect keys. And just like the other two, this key looks like it came out just as good as the other one. Alright guys, here is the key that I started with without the head. And these are the keys that I made today, all filed and ready to go. And if you look at the comparison, these keys all look identical.
All right, guys, so one out of the three keys did not work. I gave them the keys, they tried it, they all went in, turned it, unlocked it, but this one went in, but they couldn't turn it. So I'm not really sure exactly why. Let's get a closer look at this key and maybe we can figure out why it didn't work. So it looks like the top of the key needs a little bit more filing. Maybe that's why it couldn't turn. You can see I already did file it, but maybe I filed it uneven. There's a little burr right there. So I think if I file that one spot, this key might actually work. But we're not going to find out in this video because this is the end of the video. I am going to file this down, give them the key, and hopefully it does work. But we do know 2 out of the 3 keys did work. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to comment below, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and check out some of my other videos in my YouTube library because I have a lot of videos. So stay tuned for my next video.